gardener. Lindsay here with Mindful Living Movement. Now, I know that planting a garden does take time and effort, but it will save you from making costly mistakes and allow you to maximize your resources. So you don't have to worry, you're not alone if the process feels kind of confusing or you get lost along the way. Having a plan is definitely the best way to ensure success, and it's going to help you to save from wasting time, money, and also resources. So whether you're a gardening enthusiast, maybe you're brand new to gardening, a garden plan is definitely an essential part of your springtime routine. And I'm going to share the advantages, benefits, elements that you should include that no serious gardener would go without. All right, let's dive into why you need a garden plan. First things first, making sure that you start your seeds or transplants on time. There's usually a very small window for those of us in short growing seasons. We don't want to miss out on that because we may not end up with a harvest. Maximizing the space that you have. So maybe you do have a ton of space, but if you leave big, wide open, empty spaces in between, you're just going to invite weeds into the garden. You're encouraging moisture loss, so making sure we space correctly. Incorporating companion planting is really, really beneficial for bringing diversity into the garden and much more resiliency. Incorporating crop rotation from season to season, so having a plan that you can look back on and then make adjustments accordingly so that you're not perpetuating bugs and disease. Using your sun and shade to their fullest. Some plants don't like lots of heat, others require lots of heat. Make sure that you can kind of use them together. If you don't have a lot of natural shade normally, we can set it up so that you have one plant creating shade for another. You may also find that you have microclimates within your growing space. So once you start to analyze and create a plan, you may be able to grow some unique things that are not normally grown in your zone, which is kind of cool. Also, having a plan is really great. There's a lot of things that can take our time, energy, our budget. And so if you really have a focus that you can stick to and keep coming back to so you're not getting distracted, this helps out immensely. Knowing how many plants that you either need to buy as starter plants or seeds that you need to start also is going to cut down on the amount of wasted time, energy, and money. You will be able to just go shopping very easily because you'll have a clear list of what you need. So whether you're ordering online or you're just going to a greenhouse to eliminate distractions. Now, I know that creating a plan can be a little bit challenging, but it is also a very rewarding and fun and creative process. Getting to see your beautiful and functional plan come to life is really, really cool. It's one of my favorite parts about this season is sort of getting to have that dream and then literally bringing it to reality. And if you are wanting some assistance with this process, the exact sort of step-by-step how you put all the pieces together, I have a little mini course that you can dive into today. My vegetable garden planning mini course is open for registration. It doesn't matter where you are at in your springtime planning. You know, you may have missed the seed starting window for some things, but not everything. There's still lots you can start, and you can still support your local greenhouse. But having a plan and knowing where you need to go and what you need to do is the first step. So the registration you'll be able to find in the notes. And if you are along the way with your plan, but you're still needing some feedback, maybe drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear how things are going. If you know of a friend or family that would like some assistance in the planning process, be sure to send this video on to them. I hope this helped, and we'll get to see you guys again soon. Have a great one.